So the verb fingir means to pretend and to feign. So it has a broader meaning than in English, right? We have the regular verb festejar, which means to celebrate. Festejar. So, mañana festejaré mi cumpleaños. Tomorrow I will celebrate my birthday, right? And there is a noun for that verb, which is festejo. Festejo means a celebration, okay? Festejo. We have also the word fiesta, which is party. Fiesta is party, festejo is celebration, right? Festejo is also, in addition to the noun festejo, it is also is a conjugation of the verb festejar in the present tense for the first person of the singular, for I. Yo festejo mi cumpleaños. I celebrate my party, okay? And we have the verb fallecer. Fallecer. These two shouldn't be together, right? Because fallecer means to pass away. Fallecer is to pass away. It's not to die literally, right? Same as in English, we have two verbs, to die and to pass away. In Spanish, we have the verb morir, which means to die, and fallecer, which is to pass away, right? So fallecer usually is a more natural death, right? Somebody passes away, okay? Also, in Spanish, it sounds harsh to say murió, somebody died. So it's kind of a euphemism. Everybody says somebody passed away. It's a soft word, okay? When we talk about a person, we say falleció, right? Now we will learn two irregular verbs with F. Ahora vamos a aprender dos verbos irregulares con la letra F. El verbo fluir, el verbo fluir, the verb to flow, fluir. This is irregular. And we have the verb fotografiar, fotografiar, which means to photograph, okay? I will pronounce it now in a normal speed, okay? Fotografiar. Fotografiar is to photograph or to picture, okay? And the noun would be fotografía. Fotografía or photo, simply, okay? And fluir, the noun would be flujo. Flujo is a flow, right? And fluir is the verb to flow, right? So in the next class I will show you how to conjugate these verbs, and we will probably see some few examples so we can practice these verbs, these irregular verbs, okay? So thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, you can send them to me. You can post them in YouTube or on my blog. I'll be pleased to answer, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.